Yo guys, so today I'm in the back of my uncle's car and I'm going to do a review of the back of this car like I did for the last car he had. So yeah, it's basically it's just the same, but it's got tinted windows and hang on, if you look down there, that there here is a seat, as you can see from there, seat belts. Hang on, just undo this a second. That there, that lifts. Hang on. Basically, what you have to do is a handle. I don't know if you see it there. Pull that. The back comes forward, look. And then there's a bar where my hand is there. And you pull that forward. I'm just gonna have to put you down a minute. Put you there. Well, I moved the chair forward there. I've moved it forward now. What if you look? That chair comes up like that. Goes up like that. Then the headrest goes up like that, and then you pull that, and it's up like that, and now you've got a chair. To put it down, you pull this like that. That goes right in. For fuck's sake. Well, and usually it'll lock, but it ain't locking. So what you have to do is just have to give it a push, and then the back will just come down like so, like that, see? And then you just do reverse order, put this back. But yeah, I'll do that in a minute. Basically it's the same back there. Anyway, thanks for watching, and make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching, see ya, peace.